Here we come to the elevators at Kyle Field at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. Figured I'd get another video of these elevators because I love the Texas A&M bulbs on the elevator button. I mean the Texas A&M logo engraving on the stainless steel elevator COP. Anyways, let's ride. Here we go. These were originally Dover that got an innovation mod at some point. 7. We're at the 7th floor. Let's go outside and ring the bell. I love that chime. G. This is a nice elevator. I'm filming this on my iPhone 12 Pro Max because I need to save battery on my camcorder and also memory too. I will go for one more ride. I absolutely love these elevators, especially the COP. It's one of my favorite. I love these buttons. I love it. I really love the school logo. This is just amazing. See what it does. Watch how I push all the buttons. Watch. Watch this. They all go out. All right, let's go back down to G. We'll end there. As G stands for Gig'em. We'll watch Gig'em go out because that's what G is. Yep. Gig'em just went out. Perfect timing. Look at that. Love the Texas A&M logo. Let's ring the bell one last time. These are some amazing elevators. There it goes. And that's it.